Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about how to install VS Code in your system. So at first open your Chrome or any browser you have. Just search VS Code install. Go to the first site available here. This is the official site of VS Code, and here is a choose your operating system. I have Windows, so I just click on Windows here and see the download process is started. It is 106 MB. So after a download we'll meet again. So my download is completed. I click here. After I click here, uh, something like this will appear on the screen. So I accept the agreement, click on next, and then again next, uh, next, create an desktop icon, add open with code, everything click here, then next, then install. So it takes a minute to get installed. Just wait. Yeah, now it's installed. So I click finish here. After I click finish, here is it open VS Code in my system. Okay, you can open folder from here. Okay, this is the process how to install VS Code in your system. Thank you very much.